Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Quinn. This is the PowerPoint that I use for Back to School Night. My classroom is room 215, so this says welcome to room 215. Thank you for coming. Please sign in the back table, find your child's desk, take a minute to look at the letter your child has written to you. So my students had written a letter the first day of school, and then their parents came the next day and wrote a letter back at Back to School Night. A little bit about me. My name is Miss Kelly Quinn. I have a sister named Megan. I also have a mother and a father. I have an amazing dog named Finnegan. I live in Conshohocken. Growing up, I lived in Berwyn, which is in Pennsylvania. This is my third year teaching at East Lansdowne Elementary School. The last 2 years, I have taught fourth grade here at East Lansdowne Elementary School. I have a bachelor's degree in elementary education, certified to teach pre-K to 4 and special education pre-K to 8 from Westchester University. I am currently enrolled at Westchester University for my master's in special education pre-K to 8. Prior to ELES, I spent 1 year teaching second grade at Daroff Charter School, which is located in West Philly. Here is a few photos of my family, puppy, and some of my East Lansdowne Elementary School teachers. Our academic curriculum. For our reading and language arts, we use the Into Reading Research-Based program. During the reading block, we do whole group instruction, small group instruction to target students' needs and writing mini lessons. For writing, we do narrative, informative, persuasive, poetry, and opinion writings. Also, we do grammar and cursive. For math, we use the Everyday Math program for math. This is a research-based program with elements to meet the needs of all types of learners and is aligned to the Common Core. For social studies, we use Scholastic News, where students read magazines while completing active engagement activities. Topics include geography, communities, diversity, how our economy works, global trade, public service, and much more. For science, there are 3 topics we will be covering through experiments and cooperative learning, sound, water, and plants. Our social curriculum: ELS, ES banner, behaviors, pause, classroom and school rules and logical consequences, expected behaviors, ELES bucks, which is basically our school bucks, monthly assemblies, recognition, student of the month. For testing, we do DIBELS, next, ORF, retelling, days, accuracy, PSSAs, and ELA, math, and science. We also have classroom assessments, theme tests. Special subjects. We have Monday through Friday schedule. Monday is gym. Tuesday is music, which above it says that recorders are kept in students' book bags for now. This allows students to practice at home and still be prepared for class. Having a recorder is necessary for a proficient music grade. Wednesday, they have library. Thursday, art, and Friday's either art or library. For homework, our homework policy is to always it's always a review of previously introduced skills. Responsibility of students: reading log 20 minutes each night, spelling homework every week, correct uniform, parent communication regarding homework, email or write a note in planner. Miscellaneous, the dress code, birthdays, school supplies, pencils, tissues, Clorox wipes, all the supplies that we need for class, absences, and field trips like going to the Eagle Stadium, which everyone is always excited for every year. That's something that all the students are excited about. Daily school schedule: first start time is 8:45, then they go on till dismissal. And this is a way that they can contact me. We use ClassDojo. And here's my closing credits: PowerPoint, Green Cassidy, East Lansdowne Elementary School. Thanks.